What's up everyone, welcome back to the shop. In today's video we're going to do some cleanup on this knife. Go ahead and get it ready for the heat treat. Probably even do the heat treat on it. So stick around and see how it's done. Alrighty, so I'm going to start off with a worn out 60 grit belt. I'm going to get the profile done on this, and then I'll start cleaning the scale off. Alright, so now I've switched over to a little bit fresher belt. I can finish cleaning this up with that. Now I got the majority of the scale off. Alright, so now I've switched over to a 220 belt. I'm going to take it up to a 220 finish real quick. Alrighty, so I went ahead and I put my mark into the knife. And I drilled a couple holes in here. Now I'll go ahead and do some normalizing cycles on this. And then I'll go in for the quench, do the heat treat, and then we'll go in for the temper after the quench. So stick around and watch how that's done. Round 2 of normalizing. On the third round, I'll go in for less heat, be a lighter color. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. Today we got the heat treat all finished up on this knife. Tomorrow we'll go ahead and start grinding the bevels and everything. So be sure to subscribe, hit that little bell icon. Don't forget to hit the like icon. Blah. What? The like button? Like button. Like icon. What the hell's the like icon? Seriously? I don't know. I'll see you all in the next one.